Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel, welcome to Maya, and welcome to the topic of Python, right? So it's been a very long time since I was heavily involved in programming, but I decided to pick up Python. And I want to take you guys along for the ride. So hopefully you can learn something together with me, right? Now, in order to do that, you need to know how to install Python and how to install an editor and a couple of other things. So what I want to do in this video is quickly run through that for you, right, in case you are not aware. First of all, let's look at Maya. In Maya, you have Python. If you go up to Windows and you go to General Editors and then to Script Editor and you open that, you have this window here, and in the bottom window you see here Python and Mel. So what's Python, what's Mel? Mel is a Maya specific language, so it's a specific coding language and it only works in Maya. Python, however, can be used in Maya but can be used outside of Maya in many different ways. And for that reason, what I'm going to show you is how to install the standalone Python version. Because once you get acquainted with Python, you won't want to be just limited to Maya, right? So that's why I'm going to show you that. But if you decide to stay in Maya, then you already have Python, which is right here, okay? Let's see what else. Yeah, that's enough about Maya. Let's look at the standalone. So we're going to close this out. And the Python standalone can be found on python.org, right? If you go to python.org, you just simply go to downloads, and then here you can choose your platform, your OS. So in my case, Windows, and then you go and click on the Python button for download, or Mac OS if that's your choice. Now, I already installed it, so if I click on this, you'll see something different. But there are two things to be aware of. When you click on this button, you will get the option to select Python to path. Super important that you select that. And also select for all users. Do that as well. So you run the install, you run Python and you install it. And then you want to verify whether the install went according to plan, right? The thing is, Python becomes visible in an editor, and that is something separate that you need to install. But you want to make sure that Python has been installed correctly. So you're going to go to your command line down in the screen here, and you're going to click on your command prompt. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in Python space -- version. And if this shows you a version, in this case, in my case, Python 3.14, then you know that it all went well. Now we're going to go and hit exit and get out of here. Now you don't want to be coding in your command prompt, right? That's not ideal. So what they came up with is a bunch of editors, and there are a lot of them. So here are Python editors, and you can choose one of these, the one you want to work with. It's completely up to you which one you want, right? And I think most of them are free. Anyway, the one that I chose is a Visual Studio Code, this one, right? And again, this helps you to display your actual coding as you're doing it. I downloaded this for Windows, I installed it, and after you do that, it looks something like this. Visual Studio Code, I click on it, it will open up. And this is what Visual Studio Code looks like, right? Now, again, we're not going to go into coding just yet. This video is about how to get things installed. But yeah, have a look around, play a little bit with it. There are tons and tons of tutorials out there on Python. But if you want to follow along, you will find some videos on my channel as well, all right? Well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.